Right-click again your network, properties, change adapter settings, properties, TCP/IP version 4, properties. Then use the following IP address. So open your CMD and we're going to make a static IP address for server computer. So CMD, run as administrator. Then type ipconfig. So from dynamic to static. For server computer, it must be a static IP address. So using the ipconfig, you will identify or determine the kind of IP address, the default gateway, and the subnet mask that you are using. Just copy the information. 10.0.2.15, click the subnet mask, then click the default gateway. 10.0.2.1. I am using a virtual box, that is why the subnet mask is different. But please, if it is class A, you should use class A IP and class A subnet mask. Click OK, then close. Refresh the computer. Then close everything. Click again the advanced sharing settings to check your network discovery. So from time to time, always check your network discovery. Then again, refresh your computer. Now open File Explorer. Right-click your network, click Properties, let us set your Windows Firewall, click Allow an app or features. Then, check File and Printer Sharing. So as you can see, we have to set all these settings from 1 to 6. Net logon, network discovery, remote, Windows Firewall, remote, Windows remote. So scroll down. Find network logon service. It must be checked both public and private. Network discovery, check. Remote desktop, check both private and public. Windows Firewall, check. Okay. Close. Close or minimize. Then again, right click, properties, check your static IP properties. So for server computer, it must be static IP. For COC2, no need to input a preferred DNS. So again, let us change the work group. So example, CSS, and your computer name. Say for example, RG. Click OK. Welcome to CSS workgroup. OK. Then close. Then restart the computer. So first, we type the ipconfig. We set the server to static IP. We set the services to automatic. Then we change the Windows Firewall settings. Then we change the work group and the computer name. Now enter the Windows again. Refresh your computer. So in Windows 10, let us do the same process. Right-click your network, properties, so we are now in the Windows 10. So, advanced, properties. Then we have TCP/IP properties. Again, it must be a dynamic IP. no need to input a manual IP address. Again, leave it blank. You just type cmd ipconfig to determine your dynamic IP address. Again, do not input the IP address manually in your Windows 10 operating system or the client computer. Now, let us check the services. Let us set some settings, the same with the Windows Server operating system. So in the search box, type services. Click standard, maximize, locate the two functions, the function discovery provider and the function discovery resources. Properties, set to automatic, apply, OK. Double check if it is running. Right click, properties, set to automatic, apply, and check the status if it is running. Then still the SSDP. You may include the network connection if you may, but in my case I will go with the SSDP. Automatic, apply, the status is running, so it's okay. UPnP, right click, properties, automatic, apply, then the status is stopped, so you just click start. Then okay. Close, 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 and refresh the computer. Right click again, properties, the network, firewall again, the same with Windows Server, allow an app features through Windows Firewall. Maximize, click change settings. Then locate file and printer sharing. It must be checked, both private and public. File and printer sharing, SMB. Check the network. The net logon service it must be checked, both private and public. Network discovery, remote connection, and the Windows Remote Management. Just check the box, both private and public. Windows Remote Management. Click OK. Click Close. Change your computer name and your workgroup name. Right click this PC. Click Properties. So again, we set the firewall, the services, and now the workgroup. So rename this PC with Advanced. Click Change and type the computer name. Both computers should have a different name except workgroup. Both computers should have the same workgroup name. Type the name, click OK. Welcome to CSS Workgroup. Okay, okay. Close, then restart the computer. So to summarize, we let the Windows 10 as a dynamic IP, meaning we did not put any IP address in the network properties. We just let the router provides the IP address. Okay, so the computer restarts. Let us check your computer. Right click your network. So close everything. Right click your network properties. Always check your network discovery or proceeding. Change advanced sharing settings. All networks must be turned on. The password must be off. Then save settings. You turn on the network sharing. The guest. All networks turn on. Save settings. Again, double check. Always double check every time you restart your computer. Close everything, then refresh your computer. Then you open the CMD, the search box, type CMD. Now, ping the computer. So example 15 is my server IP address. Then as you can see, destination is unreachable. So to troubleshoot this problem, always double check your network discovery. So I'm going to open my server computer. Input the password. Double check your network discovery, your firewall, and your IP address. Open File Explorer. Right-click Network, Properties. Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Check the private, the guest, all networks if it is turned on. Okay. So check. Close everything. So sometimes it takes time before the computer replies. So again, right-click your network, properties, change advanced settings, TCP/IP, properties, and again, double-check your static IP for server.